Hey guys, it's Isaac from Krietz Customs, and today we're adding another vehicle to our Krietz Customs gallery. We're going to be adding another 2019 Ram 1500 Classic. If you guys want to see more inspiration like this, you can go to our website on our gallery at KrietzCustoms.com and see more there. Alright, so go ahead and get started. We're going to go over the lift kit, which is going to be a 6-inch rough country suspension lift kit. You're going to have that strut spacer in the front, which is going to lift it 6 inches in the front, and then on the back you're going to have a 4-inch block. You're also going to have those premium M3 shocks by Rough Country as well. Thanks to the lift kit, we're going to be able to run a 35-inch tire. So this one's going to be the 35 1250 R22 Nitto Ridge Grappler, which is a hybrid tire. This hybrid tire is going to be a mix between a mud-terrain tire and an all-terrain tire, so you're going to get the best of both worlds. You're going to have the aggressive look that the mud-terrain tire gives you, so you're going to get those the bigger tread pattern and just the more aggressive sidewall. But you're also going to have the performance of the all-terrain tire, so you're going to get a nice ride, a quiet ride, and also is going to wear very nicely with a long tread life. Moving on to the wheel, it's going to be a 22 by 12 fuel vapor with a -44 offset. So that offset is going to push the center of the wheel in and push the rest of the wheel out from the fenders several inches and give you a nice aggressive stance that you're looking for. There's also going to be that concave look that's going to have the spokes come from the center of the wheel all the way to the outside, and they're also just a little bit unique shape, having kind of curving out as it goes out. Other than that, this one's going to be the matte black DDT finish, which gives a really cool effect depending on if it's going to be sunny out or cloudy out. Like right now, it's going to have a more of a shiny platinum effect, whereas when it's sunny out, it's going to have more of a bronze effect, and so it's pretty cool. Depending on the weather, it's going to have a different look, and it goes well with a lot of different vehicles no matter the color. So if you guys have any questions about this build and want yours to be built like this, you can go to our Facebook page and send us a message if you have any questions. Or if you want some more inspiration, you can go to our gallery at KrietzCustoms.com and search for your vehicle there.